If your department policy is to add a diagram to your Tech worksheet, you have several options to achieve this. If you have saved the diagram to your iPad's photo gallery or iCloud files, from demographic page, tap on picture icon and select the option to import from photos or import from iCloud files. If you are using paper or dry erase whiteboard to draw your findings, you will select the option Capture with Camera and take a snapshot of the drawings. But the most efficient option is to choose the option Paste Image. Let's say that you want to add a graphic representation of thyroid nodules to your worksheet. You select a blank thyroid diagram and import it to your drawing app in your iPad. Adjust the size. There are all kinds of drawing tools available to choose from. Use your finger or iPad pencil to draw the findings on the screen. You can undo or erase the changes if you need to. When you are finished, take a snapshot of the screen, crop the image if necessary, and tap Done. Select Copy and Delete. This will copy the picture to clipboard and will delete it from your device. Open Katiba and select the option Paste Image to add the picture to your Tech worksheet. On the last step of creating your worksheet, there is a menu to select if you want to add a diagram to worksheet. Here you can select My Own Drawing. You can also select Paste Image here if you did not add the picture earlier. The picture will appear at the bottom of Tech worksheet on a separate page. The other option for adding a diagram is to use Freeform app. This is perhaps the best option for storing all of your blank diagrams and making changes to them. Let's assume that we want to add a diagram to show fetal position and placenta location. Open Freeform app. If you have lots of diagrams, enter a keyword in the search field to find your diagram quickly. Select the blank diagram. Draw the location of placenta, and for fetal position, we can draw the position of fetus with finger or Apple pencil. Or we can use a picture of fetus and rotate it with 2 fingers to correspond to fetal position. Once we are happy with the layout, we select the image, copy it, and paste it in Katiba. The image will be added to the worksheet on a separate page.